It all started with something simple: the heat. Three girls standing outside in Kuwait, feeling the weight of 125 degrees sun. Fahrenheit, that is. They rush indoors, but the relief doesn't last. Inside, it's all white walls and harsh lights, cold, sterile, lifeless. So we asked ourselves, why can't indoor spaces feel more alive? That question sparked an idea. We began sketching, dreaming, and building. We visited an existing green wall on campus to learn what worked and also what didn't. What if a green wall could be more than decoration? What if it could move, breathe, and adapt, just like nature? That's how GreenFlex was born. A customizable, modular green wall system made of rotating cubes and filled with real plants. It's scalable, programmable, and low maintenance, with automatic irrigation and a very adaptable design. It isn't just about greenery. It's a smarter way to cool, refresh, and humanize indoor spaces, as well as improve the indoor air quality. In tightly sealed buildings, harmful pollutants can build up quickly, causing fatigue, headaches, and respiratory problems. GreenFlex addresses this by actively improving air through its living plant system. Look at this side by side. A typical mall corridor, blank, sterile, and disconnected from nature. Now, look at that same space with GreenFlex. It's vibrant, calming, and alive. In regions where people live indoors, bringing nature back is no longer optional, it's essential. Even a single square meter of GreenFlex can absorb up to 2.3 kilograms of CO2 per year. Multiply that by the size of just one mall installation, and the environmental and health impacts become clear. Our walls don't just decorate space, they detoxify it. Our first focus is malls and shopping centers. As the market is growing exponentially, 139.2 billion now and 208.6 billion in just 7 years. Kuwait alone has over 250 malls, and across the GCC, thousands. These are high-traffic, low-greenery zones with a growing demand for better air quality and customer experiences. But we won't stop there. Offices, hospitals, airports, and universities are all on the horizon. So what does GreenFlex offer? It improves the air, elevates the vibe, and enhances sustainability branding. But there's more. We can collaborate with local artists to create murals made entirely from plant cubes. And using a digital interactive panel, shoppers can draw anything from doodles to names and see it come to life on the wall itself, with light and shadow transforming the rotating cubes into a living display. It's part nature, part technology, and entirely engaging. Compared to our direct competition, we exceed in criteria such as technological integration and customization, while also being more affordable per unit than on them all. Each GreenFlex wall costs $30,000 to produce and is sold for $35,000. That comes out to $5,000 profit per wall. In year 1, our goal is 250 walls, and by year 3, we scale to 1,000 units across the region. That's $350 million in revenue and $50 million in profits. GreenFlex isn't just about business, it's about impact. We align with 3 major UN Sustainability Development Goals. We're creating healthier environments while making indoor spaces more human. With every wall installed, we're reducing indoor CO2 levels and improving oxygen circulation, which has proven benefits on mental clarity, mood, and long-term respiratory health. To test our idea, we interviewed 120 mall goers. Almost everyone agreed. Yes, they prefer malls with greenery, and yes, they believe green walls would make the experience better. People want this, and we are building it for them. We also conducted interviews at co-ops and malls in Rava and Hawali, who gave us their stamp of approval and interest. People are ready for this. GreenFlex answers a real need. So, what's next? Currently, we're in our testing and simulation phase. By next year, we will be launching our first prototype and begin installations across malls in Kuwait. 3 years from now, we aim to target other businesses and establishments within Kuwait to further solidify our place. In 5 years, though, we see the GCC coming into view. GreenFlex isn't just a wall, it's a growing movement to bring nature back into the heart of our cities, one space at a time.